If you're still managing team capacity by guessing, you're flying blind, and it's costing you time, money, and morale. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to manage team capacity without guessing, using real-time data so you can assign work with confidence and never overload your team again. I've tested all the most popular tools for this, and I'll show you the one I recommend, with an exclusive free trial link in the description just for viewers of my channel. The biggest mistake most managers make? Assuming availability equals capacity. Just because someone's on the calendar doesn't mean they have the actual bandwidth. First, list out every team member along with their weekly availability in hours. Not contract hours, but actual working time. What they realistically have left after meetings, admin, and unavoidable distractions. Next, break down every task or project into estimated hours. This is crucial. Don't assign tasks by gut feel. Assign by effort. If you're not sure how long something takes, look at similar past projects or ask the person who did it last time. Now we layer in this software to automate and visualize all of this. Once you've input your team and their availability and added tasks with estimated durations and deadlines, the software calculates each person's remaining capacity in real time. No spreadsheets, no guesswork. It immediately highlights who's overbooked and who's got room. You can drag and drop tasks across your timeline and instantly see the ripple effect. You'll know if the deadline is realistic or if you need to shift resources before it becomes a crisis. You'll also be able to forecast weeks or months ahead. Let's say a big project's coming up. You can check if you've got enough design hours in 3 weeks, or whether you need to start hiring or reassigning now. And you don't have to bug your team constantly to figure that out. One overlooked feature that saves time: templates. If you have recurring tasks like onboarding or campaign launches, set them up once and reuse them. The software autofills effort estimates and timelines, saving you hours and reducing planning errors. If you're managing multiple teams or departments, you can create views filtered by team, skill set, or client. That way, you're always looking at the most relevant capacity data for each situation, no more scrambling through endless tabs. Now, one last thing. Capacity management isn't just about assigning work, it's about sustainable productivity. Burnout comes from overloading good people without realizing it. This method ensures balance and protects your team's long-term performance. So here's the key takeaway. Stop guessing. Managing team capacity with data and the right system turns planning from reactive to proactive. You'll avoid bottlenecks, prevent burnout, and deliver work faster with fewer surprises. Quick recap. Start by calculating actual weekly availability, not just work hours. Break tasks into estimated hours, not vague labels. Use our recommended software to visualize capacity in real time. Forecast ahead, rebalance early, and protect your team from burnout. Use templates and filters to speed up planning across projects. If you want to follow along and see exactly how this works in your team, grab the exclusive free trial link in the description below. It's only available to viewers of this channel, and it'll give you full access to everything I just showed you. Give it a shot. You'll never want to go back to guessing.